And we believe our genuine demand, Kokborok Roman script, will be implemented very soon. And I, as an ex-ministers, I have a lot of experience regarding this Roman script movement. Because Roman script Kokborok was introduced in the DRDC areas. And even there is a file going on. And suddenly the BJP government, some of the BJP leaders are demanding Devanagari script. It's very unfortunate. Till date, the government of Tripura cannot decide who is script to be adopted, whether Bengali script, Roman script, or then Devanagari script. They are confused. But it is people demand. 90% people who speak Kokborok are demanding Roman script. It is a favorable script. We all know. But I don't know why the government of Tripura is ignoring the genuine demand. I think time is already enough is enough. The next course of action, we'll plan out. We'll immediately have a meeting with our senior leader of the Pramotha, and we'll decide in the course of action. And here I want to read out some of the injuries person of our student, Uttam Koloi, Uttam Tripura, who was really seriously injured, and Junu Rani Deborma, also in hospitalized. It's a young girl. Sonia Deborma is from Gabodi school, also very seriously injured. Prince Deborma also seriously injured, and Betsaba Deborma also seriously injured. Muskan Deborma is very young and dynamic leaders. Ladies also seriously injured, and Chhadra Deborma, coordinator, also seriously injured. The 7 of the students are very seriously injured, and we are monitoring their situation. We are helping them out. Now, all our senior leaders, immediately I called them meeting. Maybe today, tomorrow we'll have a meeting, and we'll see, we'll find out a solution. Thank you. Tini belakhe tini khak ti Kokborok boroni miju basa bai. Meghalaya ara bhai ni borok Roman script nai to borok suitongo. Boroni basa borok university borok research PhD khlayo lecturer khaitongo. Ekle borok tini jeng nui tong tini neighboring state no. Ni phiaba ti borok hangkai borok tuno taparogui. Je jaga ti Bengali script ba Devanagari script. Tini kauna jengsu suimeya. Tiun jeng khaperomaya. Borok situ tini kintu tuno borok taparoi tongo. Enough is enough. Jeng tuno saimano. Abang jorangkha, jeng tini 50 bos bugi kha, ang tutup koinai tini cikarok, puci basidi, jeng kebanan taboni ni party purta han lesidi, tini kogno, tini mani kogno jeng develop khena bagai, jeng saimano Roman script scientific, ang ora tini sana bosugo, onek bit ang knawo, Roman script bengkabo, hatani basa, hatani script, ang ora promanona bosugo, it is very shameful to say. Tini Barani Songbidan, the Constitution of India, all to retain Roman script. Then Tini Songbidan is over Sotri by Sweden, then Devanagari by Sweden. Tini Barani Songbidan, Katar Songbidan, what's it in name? Roman script, Suetong, Suingai. Tangus and Tini Coconut Roman script, a Omahibara or Duktikok Sagai, Tunabro Kaitongo, misled Kaitongo, and Kagago. Borang je obo samar obastop, jeng jotono Roman script nayo, jeng majority, jeng jotono jeng Roman script hanjago, angka gago, tema BJP sarkar, tema Congress sarkar, tema jebut sarkar faitung, jeng jakifan jeng Kokborok Roman script jeng adai kainya nai, obo tini wansokma, obo tini dabi, angka gago jeng jotono, tini next course of action jeng khai nai, hambai. Just now I heard the bad news regarding the police atrocities, and I strongly condemn the incident. The police personnel have attacked our innocent student who are having peaceful movement. As you all know, the Roman script in Kokborok is a long demand. For the last 50 years, our Tiprasa people are demanding for implementation of Kokborok in Roman script. It is very sensitive demand and serious demand. Today, the student wing of the Pramotha party have launched the movement, peaceful movement, the petition to the governor of Tripura. And while they are marching peacefully towards governor house, they were stopped on the way and some of our volunteers, some of the student leaders went for submitting the memorandum to the governor of Tripura. But very unfortunately, the governor did not entertain to meet our leaders, student leaders. It is very sad news. Being a guardian of the state, the governor is not willing to attend and to meet our student leader. This message was got by the students who are having demonstration, and they're very upset. And it is very sad to know, having the peaceful movement for the Roman script in Kokborok, some of the arrogant police officers attacked our student. And I have a list here, the name. Around 7 of them, three girls, 3 boys, are seriously injured, and they were admitted to the hospital, Jibo hospital, and we are monitoring about their health condition. And it's very unfortunate to know that in our own land, the son of the soil, the student, were tortured and harassed in this kind of situation. And as you all know, this is the first movement organized by the student wing of Tripura. And it is our lesson to know that in near future, we are going to have an aggressive movement. Governor is a guardian of our state. But in governor, Botarano Santanaro Nangmani, Cox Nangmani, in the Piang Kanaka, governor, Borno Malaya, one secretary, Burnang secretary of Borohogui, Bokagos, Borno except Kaka. Abo Kanaway in Chicago, Hisa, Dukonanka, agitating ka. About to eat in it, police dog, for an attack Kaika, for an water cannon to Roboron Sarka, Lati Charge Kaika, of only Tomonia. Peaceful Cox Halagay, Nation Kaigi Bruno, Rana Tomoni, the Bruno action number Bagay, but I can do Bago, the very unfortunate, Bonibagay, and Kakanai, Tini BGB Sorkar, Bornikuno, Born feeling Kuri, Tini Kokor Roman script, about Salsan and Dabia. Ponchas Bosa Sikang, or Dabi Kaitongo, Tasin Nuka, Gavanga, or the research Kaika, Commission Azoka, Basa Commission Azoka, Tinta Basa Commission Atogui, Ubasa Commission report, behind Abba Sorkana report, about Jotono Kokborok, Roman script Sabutai. The Piaba, Sorkar City, look to think Borokdo, Avan Taparo Tongo, Avani Bagay, Tabutin Jonawondok, is in Satro of the young generation, the intellectual group, student society Roborok, realizing some of the normal courses in Maya, strong movement Makane, since Halina in Saturno by Glazing table, the bank placing some aggressive movement Kane, or Masin Bisonana, and Kako Tine, just in a lesson, the number of harassment like a, I want to police line, the police involved Nairo, Latisas Kairo Bunairo, Exonara by Saline, or another digital Igitongo, Tomorrow Saline, Gan Kakago, Jotona Tabuk Mabuchinai. Tama CPM Kainai, Tama Congress Kainai, and Busy Kainai. Jotona one talk city. The Tin Hago Tongui, Tin Nogo Tonguitum, or Tin Hani Busa, or something Buin Putro, Sung Tin Cognus, Tin Masuya, Tin Ichamote, Tin Mutua Mahagas and Cogboros and Masuya. Bui Chitini, Patent Pirate in Borok Tonguito, Baxau Daban, Degree Manana, Bangala Street Manana, Borok City Kaiton, Bella Asmusa. Bodibaga and Kakago, and Avis enough, the rest of some Bugika, some Safaranka, some the rest of Saimakatabo, some Tini Chikarok, and Koina Jotono, Nung CPM Tahini Congress and Joton Tin Mountaino, Tini Kokbo Roman script, some Orotini 80% Tinti Brasaro, some Kokbo Coxabo, Piavatin Kokbo in Nurkaiton, Tin Onek, development comes in Kokbo, some many passages in Rajanugu, Mijuram, Borokobor, Basambo Roman squares to you. Borok University PhD, Borok Clayton Roman Sikok Borok Boroni, Mijuba Sabai. Megalaya, Arab Borok Roman script night to Borok Suitongo, Borok Basa Borok University Poro, Research PhD Clayo, Lecturer Claytongo, like labor of in future. We are going to have an aggressive movement with a large number. Because today, unfortunately, we don't have a large number, only we are around 2,000. But in near future, we'll invite all the student communities who are supporting our Roman script demand, and hopefully in very near future we're going to organize peaceful movement for demand of Roman script. And as you all know, our people are suffering for long years, for the last 50 years. Still now, the state government are not taking very seriously about these Roman script issues. We have experienced for the last 30 years of Congress rule government. They are also not taking care of this. And again, left from government for the last 25 years. They are also not taking care of this. And again now, BJP government for the last 5 years, they are also not taking serious about this matter. And we believe, because anything, we are having the peaceful movement where attack and harass by the police personnel. And in next course of action, we'll plan out how to move our movement, how to launch our movement. And we believe our genuine demand, Kogbor Roman script, will be implemented very soon. And I, as an ex-minister, I have a lot of experience regarding this Roman script movement. Because Roman script Kokborok was introduced in the DDC areas. And even there is a file going on. And suddenly the BJP government, some of the BJP leaders are demanding Devanagari script. It's very unfortunate. Till date, the government Tripura cannot decide who is script to be adopted, whether Bengali script, Roman script, or then Devanagari script. They are confused. But it is people demand. 90% people who speak Kokborok are demanding Roman script. It is a favorable script. We all know. But I don't know why the government of Tripura is ignoring the genuine demand. I think time is already enough. In the next course of action, we'll plan out. We'll immediately have a meeting with our senior leader of the Pramotha, and we'll decide in the course of action. And here I want to read out some of the injuries person of our student, Uttam Tripura, who was really seriously injured, and Junu Rani Deborma, also hospitalized. It's a young girl. Sonia Deborma is from Gabodi School.